Today on 21st Century Television.
Explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe. A visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st
Television.
I'm Jackie Bales. The lack of skilled labor, ever-evolving technology, and constant pressure on cost and competitiveness have all contributed to challenges within the manufacturing industry. And as a whole, these challenges are cause for inefficient processes, which ultimately result in lower profitability. Here to discuss how his company is poised to solve these challenges is Eric Patty, president of Wauseon Machine. Welcome, Eric.
Thank you, Jackie.
Eric, I just mentioned the challenges faced by the manufacturing industry. In your opinion, why do you think this is happening?
Well, the pool of skilled labor is not entering the manufacturing sector at the rate it once was. And where they are choosing careers in manufacturing, they're going into higher level positions in engineering and product development, opposed to skilled people actually being involved in directly making parts or consumable goods.
So who is Wauseon Machine, and how are you addressing this particular challenge?
Wauseon Machine is a vertically integrated company, and in saying that, we're using engineering tools and new technology and developments that are helping us help our customers. Some examples of those technologies I'm talking about are 3D printing, prototyping, simulation software, and things that are helping us provide a better solution to our customers' needs.
Well, let's take a closer look at Wauseon Machine in this 21st Century Television Field Report.
Manufacturers today face many challenges, including lack of skilled labor, keeping up with changing technology, and constant pressure on cost and competitiveness. These challenges can lead to inefficient processes and lower profitability. Wauseon Machine is a robotic automated solution provider who caters to each customer's individual challenges. They have the experience and personnel necessary to develop products and equipment to relieve manufacturers of the skilled labor.
First, we look to understand the needs and necessities of why that customer needs that solution. Then we determine the measurements of success, and we look at what barriers are there, whether they're real or perceived, so we can develop the solution around that. Then we look at what kind of fit we have with that customer and that project. What does Wauseon Machine bring to the table? And we quickly develop a concept and cost so we can come to a solution.
A Wauseon Machine's robotic system can allow companies to reallocate valuable labor resources as needed within their company.
In order to provide a maximum return on our customers' investment, we will travel to their facilities and review their manufacturing processes. Not only will we look at the process that they want us to for a particular application, but we'll look upstream and downstream so that we're developing a system concept that's not only flexible to today's needs, but also 10 years down the road. From that point, we will take a concept, put it together using 3D simulation, and then show our customers that what we're providing is going to meet their needs as far as cycle time, scalability, flexibility, and then that their investment will be maximized.
When it comes to robotic automation, Wauseon Machine is experienced and innovative, yet still technology-driven, while always making customer service a top priority.
Some of the most beneficial gives the robots the sense of sight and touch. Robot vision allows the robot to see and locate the parts it is picking or the location the part is being placed to. This can also detect whether or not an operation has been performed correctly by looking at it, just as the operator would. Motor torque sensing and force sensors allow the robot to detect when the end of arm tool has contacted something and how hard it is pushing back. This aids the robot in assembly work as well as other operations.
So, Eric, what are the main products and services provided by each of Wauseon Machine's business segments?
In the first business segment, we build highly engineered tooling packages that are either built to the customer's specifications or they're used and incorporated into the machines that we build in the second business segment, which is where we build automated single process machines or systems integration work. And that tooling is, again, built and incorporated into that to make parts for the customers we're making those systems for. And then in the third part of our business, we do contract machining of precision machine components, and that's directed towards a completely different customer base.
Now, I understand Wauseon machine has been described as a hidden gem. Can you elaborate on that? What does that mean?
In our first 2 decades, the majority of our business and revenue came from sales that were organic growth through the automotive industry. And in the last 10 years, we focused on finding new opportunities with customers in general industry, new emerging markets, and being a solutions provider to them. And today we have equipment in 22 countries.
Oh, wow. So you've expanded tremendously then.
We have.
Professionals in the tube fabricating industry were starting to embrace robotic automation as an alternative to the load-on-load automation they were typically using. They were using third-party integrators to integrate the robots. The third-party integrators didn't have the knowledge of the equipment or how to handle the tubing. Solution by offering the knowledge of the equipment, the end-of-arm tooling for the robot, and the automation of the robot all as one package.
Tell us about the benefits that Wauseon machine provides its customers with as a supplier.
It starts with a need, idea, or concept from our customers. And from there, we develop the final concept, do all the design work, build all the components for the system. We then go on to do the assembly work of the equipment. We do the programming and all of the controls work, and then we get the project to a completed state. From there, we also can provide installation, training, and service work when required.
It's important as an integrator to realize how our systems are going to be used every day by our customers. When we engineer these custom solutions, we need to aim for ease of use and maintenance for the end user. That really requires more than just building the system. It takes a talented group of engineers and builders to bring that all together. We try to standardize things like our programming styles as much as possible on a custom machine so that the users can easily understand one system to the next regardless of what it does. When people that work with these systems every day feel comfortable and safe using them, then we know we did it well.
Well, Eric, it sounds like Wauseon machine really has a handle on their customers' needs here and abroad. So thank you so much. For 21st Century Television, I'm Jackie Bales. Thanks for watching.